Lots of people ask us for the best way to acclimatise to retinol, and this is really down to the retinol half-life. So half-life is the time it takes for a product to degrade by half, or any ingredient to degrade by half. For retinol, this is around 72 hours. So you should be applying retinol to your skin at least every third day in order to acclimatise to it effectively. If you didn't do that, and let's say you just put it on once a week, it's brand new to your skin every single time, and so your skin is going to react as if it's a brand new ingredient on the skin, an active ingredient. So you'll get that peeling and flaking each time you apply it. If you apply it every third day, your skin acclimatises quicker and the reactions will stop within 2 to 4 weeks.